Good afternoon, madams. The topic that I want to share is about the cause and impact of the deforestation. Deforestation is the permanent destruction of the large area of the natural forest and woods. According to a survey by the Forest Departments that stated by the Nikita 2016, there are about 75 million hectares of the forest area in the India. However, recently collected satellite imagery data has been revealed that only 17% of the area is covered with the forest. Therefore, this shows that India seems to have lost about 1.3 million hectares of the forest each year due to deforestation. So, it is very important to us to concern more about the case of the deforestation in order to protect our forest area. In my speech, I would like to focus about the economical importance of the tree that cause the forest depletions and also the impact of the deforestation that results in environmental, regional effects, and also wildlife extinction. First and foremost, the main factor that causes the deforestation is the economical importance of the tree. According to the Botanical Online 2016, the productions of the industry products such as the bark pebbles, rayons, and pharmaceutical products are mainly cause the forest destruction. As we know that these products all are made out of the cellulose of the trees, and this will increase the cutting of the trees and cause the depletion of the forest. Besides, the Botanical Online 2016 also stated that the constructions of the houses and the boats that increase the consumptions of the woods, which directly increase the activity of the loggings. As the civilization more complex, the constructions of the houses and the boat, along with the transformations of the forest area into the grazing lands, to meet the demands of the citizens, this had become the major cause of the deforestation in the most of the forests in the world. Next, I would like to bring all of your attention in the impacts of the deforestation with consequences, the environmental and regional effects. Deforestation causes global warming in the world. Conserve Energy Future 2016 claims that the trees play very important roles in the controlling the global warming by utilizing the greenhouse gases to maintain the balance in the atmosphere. Moreover, the deforestation can also cause the extensive flooding, droughts, and also soil erosions. As stated by the Conserve Energy Future 2016, soil erosions can be happens because the soil is directly exposed from the sunlight without protection of the trees, and this causes it become dry. Consequently, the flooding can be hotter, which the flow of the water starts disrupted when there are lack of the trees to absorb and to store the large amounts of the water while raining. Last but not the least, deforestation results in the wildlife extinction. Conserve Energy Future 2016 claims that the forest is the main habitat for the most of the plants and animal species. Thus, when removal of the forest, they are lost their habitats and they will start to migrate to the another new locations. Some of the species are even pushed to extinct due to the deforestation. According to Nikota 2016, the forest also acts as the food sources for the some of the plants and animal species. So, the cutting of the trees that consequently will lead to the malnutrition and illnesses which likely cause the extinctions of the plants and animal species. In the nutshell, the environmental, the economical benefits of the trees as the main factor of the deforestation, which eventually results in the civil, environmental, and regional effects and extinction of the flora and fauna species. Therefore, we should plant more trees in our housing area in order to prevent the global warming to occur and to replant the trees in the forest areas to prevent the extinction of the flora and fauna. As the quote that stated that conservation is the state of the harmony between the man and the land. That's all for me. Thank you.